Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Samsung M31 Prime Edition. So finally we got the update related to One UI Core 2.5. So if you have seen my previous video where I have done this unboxing and first look, I have shown you that by default it is being shipped with this One UI Core 2.1 with the security patch level of September 1, 2020. But it was also showing me an update of 961 MB. So after updating that particular update, the phones you are like I would say software version was changed to One UI Core version 2.5, which is again Android 10 based, and security patch level was changed to 1st October 2020. So after now after 2.5, most probably we will be getting One UI Core 3.0, which will be Android 11 based. So at this moment, even Samsung has opened the enrollment for the beta users for the One UI 3.0 for M31. But again, I'm not sure whether Prime Edition is also eligible or not. Most probably it will be because it is almost identical to the M31. So if you want, you can go to or visit the Samsung official website and enroll yourself for the beta version. But keep this one thing in mind that beta versions are always buggy, so you will see some random errors and so on. If I'll be trying that part, I'll be surely posting you a video in the coming days as well. And I will also try to post a review of the video on the basis of One UI Core 2.5 in the coming days as well. So stay tuned till then. So this was all from my side related to the availability of One UI 2.5 core version for the Samsung M31 Prime Edition. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.